that lives in the house? Dog. Ruff, ruff. Your nose is running again. Open. Open the door. What's inside? Where'd it go? What's Pop-Up doing? Are you videoing this? Oh, I'll be quiet.
Oh, she put it back in.
Yeah, she does. She likes to. We should put it on the learning part where it says open, close. Huh? I don't know which one it is. Oops, sorry. That's not it. Are you dancing? Hi. You want to come inside? Come on in and play. You want to play with me? Come on in. Yeah. You want to play inside? No, that's not the one. Learning time. Open. Is this your new house? Audrey picked this out for you? Yeah, this is a nice house for you, huh? Here, let me fix your nose. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good. Let's see. How do you get it to say open, close? Open, close. Good job. Yeah. What? I'd love to show everybody how you do your scooting, huh? Will you scoot across the floor? What's that?
What you got? Really?
That's right. That's what the lion does. That's right. Good. Yay, Olivia. Yay. Yeah, you gonna scoot? Scoot to your house? Come on. Scoot, scoot. There you go. There you go. Come on. You can do it. Scoot. Nice. You're getting quite good at that, aren't you? And how old are you? You're 8 months old. Yeah. Well, you're usually much better, but you're tired. And it's a carpet, so it's hard. You're really fast on the kitchen floor.
How's that lion? Ooh. Can you get her a puppy back?
Sure.
Oh,
Can you see me or?
Nope.
Okay.
Just your hand.
Okay, good. Toot, 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 toot. Did you see that on the side? Purple flower, spins. Yeah. You're very good at that, aren't you? Oh, such a smart girl. And the red roof opens. And lion, roar, 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 roar. Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? You want to put that in there? You want to put your lion in the house?